guys, it's Possum LPS here, and well, the reason why I don't have my mascot here with me for the introduction is, well, I don't know where she is. So, anyway, I'm going to show you some things that are squishy and really interesting. Well, it's going to be called the video is going to be called showing you things that are squishy. So yeah, basically I'm just going to show you things that are squishy. So, sorry if the lights are bothering you. Should I turn them off? Because they look like a siren. So, it's just a little thing that I use. Put that away. So, shall we get started? Okay, I'm bringing the big stuff. Well, it's not fat, it's just, well, here it comes. So, can you talk? Guess not. So, it is a squishy. Wait, I can't really squish it. Oh, now I can. Here. I'm going to speed how much it can squish. Just kidding. Oh. So this is how much it squishes and how much it takes to rise. So I'm going to count down how much it squishes, how much it takes to rise. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds! That's probably a world record for a squishy that's supposed to be slow rising, but Okay, so you go away now. Go away. Why aren't you talking? Oh, I forgot it's a squishy. Well, goodbye. For now. So, oops. Some of them might be the same thing, but they're going to be in different brands. So, here come the next ones. Oops, I forgot. I had to go get them. Bye! It's not the end of the video, I'm just kidding. So, I have a little rarity here from the My Little Pony movie. She is squishy. She does not have water in her, but she does have air. So, yeah, she's just goodbye, rarity. And oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you the brand name of that squishy. It's called Kawaii Squeezies. And yes, I got the unicorn. And yes, I don't know what's where. And yes, I don't know what's common. And yes, I don't know anything. So Kawaii Squeezy. Oops. Sorry, it's not Kawaii Squeezies. Ugh. That's from Squish Delish. That unicorn that I have. And now, these thingies, and the other one that I had, the rarity, is from Mash'em Fash'ems. And this one is a Scootaloo. She's not that squishy, she's kind of hard, but she's worth playing with. Okay. So, Now we are going to move on with this. It's super duper squishy, you guys. Oh, my dog. Just kidding. It's just a cover. You knew that, right? Of course you do. I'm dumb. What the heck? I mean, sorry, excuse my language. What's a tail? Yeah, that's what I meant to say. So, let's open this up. Oh, it doesn't open up. Just kidding. It's called Silly Putty. That's what the brand name is. Okay, come on out, Putty. And yes, it does have glitter in it. Come on out. Okay, I'm gonna have to dig it out. So, it is like a melty monster, but no accessories. Look, it's melting. What? Okay, it's done melting. It stretches very far, if you haven't noticed. And of course, if you pull it slowly, it just stretches, and if you pull it fast, oops, it snaps. So, enough with that. We get to move on to the big stuff. I'm saving the best for last. Oops. And it's almost the last one. Sorry, guys. It's Barf Bucks Coffee Pepsi. It's from Barf Bucks. Ho ho ho. Just kidding. It's just slime. Ugh. Let's dig it out. So this is the slime. I think this is a common slime. It's kind of sticky right now because it's like a couple days old. Yes, I said a couple days old, and so the brand name is called Poopsie that you can make the slime in. It's really cool because you get to put unicorn food in it and unicorn magic. Yeah. So it's very glittery, and it also color changes. And it also gives you a spoon, a checklist, and of course a checklist, a surprise scent. It smells so good. Ew, 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 it's sticking to my paws. Smell it. It smells good, right? You can't smell it. I wish you could, but it will leave behind some glitter on your fingers, or what did I just say? I mean, your paws. Yeah. So it will leave some glitter on your paws, but enough of this. Sorry, you guys. My camera phone thing is just bugging me. Booging me. It's boogling me. So, enough of this. And oops. We'll move on to the big stuff. So, this, I have no idea what the brand name is. It just says glitter slime, so I'm guessing that's what the brand name is. It is super duper bubbly, 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 bikini, bikini, bubbly, bubbly. Okay, let's take it out. 3, 2, 1. Glitter slime. It has a disco ball on it. I really love it. And yes, it does have glitter. It is super duper bubbly. You can play the bubble game with this bubbly slime. It doesn't stretch that well. As you can see, I'm pulling it as fast as I can. And it doesn't do what other slime does when it turns clear, but still, I love it. It's sparkly and everything. So, yeah, and you can play bubble game. you find the bubbles and then you try to pop them. And what the best thing is, the bubbles move around when you try to pop them. So it's great. And sorry if I'm covered in glitter now. So that's the last of everything. Oops, I forgot. The best part of this glitter slime is, did you hear that? Did you hear it, guys? Did you hear it, possums? Did you hear it, possum kids? Okay. I'm just calling you possum kids. I was going to call you possum fans, but then I found out Possum TV, she's so awesome. I found out Possum TV used that name, so I'm calling you Possum Kids. So, did you hear that, Possum Kids? Oh my dog. Okay, so this video is getting pretty long. 11 minutes already. Duh. So, I will bring back everything that I had. I will re-list it. So, okay. So, we did the Unicorn Squish Delish. The Mash'em Fash'ems. The Silly Putty. You can't really see the name because it's indented on there, but. And then the Poopsie Slime. Bark Bugs. Bark Bugs. Oh yeah, Bark Bugs. Okay, excuse me for my weird language. So, and then the last one, the Glitter Slime. The Glitter Slime is my favorite. Yeah, but don't smell it. It's gross. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, I apologize for not having Mary with me, because I'm like, oh no, where's Mary? Oh. So, yeah, I had a serious breakdown. Just kidding. So, I apologize for not having Mary, my mascot, with me. I just lost her. Well, I didn't lose her, but I'm licking my finger. Why do I keep on saying that? So my name's Spark. Anyway, if you wanted to know what my name was, and well, bye guys. That ends it for showing you, for the video called showing you squishy. I mean, sorry. That ends it for my video called showing you toys that are squishy. So, bye!